Next, click the primary key. Click Department ID on Departments table. And drag to Department ID on Employees table, like this. I will close this for now. I'll show you again. Click and hold Department ID on Departments table. And drag to Department ID on Employees table. You will see the line. The program is now creating relationship named FK _ employees _ departments. You don't have to set any value. SSMS will automatically adjust it. Which table has the primary key? The primary key is inside Departments table. You can choose column under Department ID. You can only select primary key. Next, we will link with foreign key. Foreign key is in Employees table. Select column, Department ID. Click OK. You can expand the window. Next, click Tables and Column Specification. Expand. You will see the previous set of value. Foreign key base table is Employees. Foreign key column is Department ID. Primary key table is Departments. Primary key column is Department ID. After checking values, click OK. You can see the relationship line. You can move the line by using double head arrow. Drag the line to the column. Then save database diagram. Right-click at the top table tab. And save. Entitle and enter. You will see the notification window showing changes in relationship. Click Yes. If you want to change the relationship, I close the relationship window first. Click Refresh at Database Diagram. Click plus to expand. You will see the name of your diagram. Double-click and it will show the relationship window. If you want to make changes, right-click on the relationship line, select Properties. The Properties window will pop up on your right-hand side, then you can make any changes here. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.